Welcome student to this lecture of lighting system. This is the point number 5.6 of unit number 5 of the subject automobile engineering. Let us see what are the learning outcome of this presentation. We will learn here function and requirement of lighting system, what are the types of lights, necessary and importance of cable color codes, and what you mean by wiring harness. Without lights, an automobile cannot move in night, so proper lighting ensures the safety of the passengers inside the automobile, and various kinds of internal as well as external lights are widely used, and all these needs again electrical and electronic components. So let us start. Lighting system of automobile. The automobile lighting system consists of headlamps, side lamps, tail lamp, stop and reverse lamps. Apart from these, there are instrument panel lights, direction indicator flashlights, and light inside the body to light up passenger compartment. This picture shows you the various kinds of lights that are used on the exterior side of a vehicle. You will see the location of headlamp, fog lamp, side turn lamp, rear fog lamp, rear combination lamp, high mount stop lamp. So this way these are the various types of lightings or lamps used in a vehicle. The lighting system of an automobile comprises of various lighting and signaling devices or components fixed to the front side and rear of the vehicle. Automobile lighting system has multiple uses and functions. So let us see what are these functions. Automobile lighting system provides illumination for the driver of the vehicle to drive safely in the dark. Secondly, automobile lights enhance the visibility of an automobile. Thirdly, automobile lights acts as a warning signals. They showcase information about the presence, position, size, speed and direction of an automotive. So there are certain auxiliary lights used in a vehicle. Auxiliary lights are the devices which are exclusively created to offer long range illumination forward of the vehicle that improves and increases the visibility of a distant objects in the night. These lights are fitted just above the bumper of an automobile or on its grille. These lights are used along the headlamps to enhance the visibility of various distant objects coming in contact while driving during the night. So what is the purpose? Let us see the exterior of the lights. The exterior lights are used for the following purposes. The purpose of headlight is to enable the driver to drive at reasonable speeds at night with a safety. But the provision should also be made that drivers of other vehicles coming from the opposite directions do not experience a glare. Side lights are the low intensity parking lamps. Tail lights are meant for illuminating back of the car so that the driver of the vehicle coming behind it will able to see it. For license plate, there is usually a separate light. Stop lights are the rear and flash when brakes are applied. The reverse lights is also sometimes incorporated at the rear. Trafficators or the flashlights are also used to indicate the direction in which the vehicle is about to turn. So these are the some of the purpose of the exterior lights. So let us see the types of lights, starting with this headlight. These lighting devices are affixed to the front side of an automobile, whose main function is to light the road ahead of you. These lights are really powerful and have reflectors as well. Its usage is not only restricted during nights but can also used in foggy conditions as well. Headlights are the intrinsic part of the vehicle which are affixed to the header panel assembly at the front side of your automobile. These lights comprise of three basic components: reflectors, filament and special lenses that are uh, closely in a airtight unit. They are so headlights are necessary to illuminate the highway sufficiently to permit safe night driving. These are usually provided with two or more beams, one which provides maximum illumination for night driving and other is designed as to permit deflection to the ground to the side of the rear road to minimize glare when passing other cars on the road. When a third beam is used, it is usually of low intensity for city driving. Next light type is tail light. Tail lights are the lamps usually covered by a red or translucent body, which are installed at the rear end of an automobile. Tail lights are mounted at the back side of the vehicle and usually come in pairs. The common types of tail lights are signal lights or turn lights, are usually yellow in color and are used for indicating whether the vehicle is moving towards left or right. Reverse lights are installed to warn others about the backing up of the vehicle. Reverse light switches on automatically when the driver puts the vehicle in reverse gear. Park lights are used for warning or signaling the driver about the presence of another vehicle at the time of foggy, rainy or dark weather. These lights are also used as a brake lights. So tail lights are used to illuminate the rear of the car, including the license plate, so that both the car and license plate can be seen by the drivers of their vehicles. Tail lights usually incorporate stop lights which flash red whenever the brakes are applied. In addition to the headlights, low intensity parking lights usually are provided in front of the car either as a separate units or as a part of the headlamps. Next is the side lights. Side lights are often regarded as a direction light. So, in modern cars you will see such type of lights: LED headlamp, light emitting diode headlamp, LED daytime running lamp, DRL. So, this is a long form of DRL, daytime running lamp, LED fog lamp, accessory lamp, LED rear combination lamp. Map lights, trunk compartment lights, radio dial lights and clock lights are also provided on some cars. Flashing signals on the front and rear to indicate to other drivers the direction in which the car is about to turn are standard equipment. In addition, one or more special lights designed as a signals to the driver are incorporated. Such special lights include a red signal light to indicate when the high beam of the headlamps are burning. So, interior lights are also sometimes used, comprises of different types of powerful lighting device used in the interior portion of the vehicle. Interior lights mostly consist of key lights and instrument displays. Key lights are very powerful mini flashlights that are installed inside the head of a bow or a door lock. Signal lights or turn lights are usually yellow in color and are used for indicating whether the vehicle is moving towards left or right. Reverse lights are installed to warn about the backing up of the vehicle. Park lights are used for warning or signaling the drivers about the presence of another vehicle at the time of foggy, rainy and dark weather. So, purpose of interior lights: engine compartment light. First type of interior light is engine compartment light. When the hood of the vehicle open, a light mercury switch is closed and light the under hood area. Glow box light: when the glow box door is opened, it closes the glow box light, which switch connects and light comes on. So, these are some of the lights. Halogen headlights. Another types: halogen gas is typically poisonous and highly reactive in nature. Those seems out to be quite a few cons of the headlamps, but when it comes to the usage, they turn out to be the most widely and used headlamp for a car. Halogen bulbs are one of the oldest form of lights in the field of automotive lighting. The bulbs in halogen headlights have a tungsten filament and capsule. This capsule is filled with the halogen gas. Now, every time the light is turned on, the gas routes back the tungsten to regenerate the filament. This reaction causes the halogen and the filament to light up. What is the pros and cons? Let us see. The halogen bulbs are actually quite cost effective. They are easy to use and have a plug and play mechanism. Halogen bulbs have a regular bulb design and can be fitted easily. The bulbs are cost effective, but that usually comes at a cost. Halogen light bulbs tend to heat up easily. This gradual heating up and higher energy consumption make their lives shorter. So, this is a regarding halogen headlamps. Composite headlight somewhat times is used. You will see in this figure replaceable halogen bulbs. The most common headlight system used today is the halogen type that use a replaceable bulb. These systems are called composite headlights. By using composite headlight system, manufacturers are able to produce many different styles of headlight lengths. This allows for improvements in the aerodynamics, fuel economy and styling of the vehicle. Xenon HID lights. HID means high intensity discharge. The xenon is again a colorless and odorless gas. The gas is used in lighting up a car. The gas reacts with electricity and emits a bright white light when electricity passes through it. It is derived from liquefied air which is used for commercial purposes. Instead of golden yellow light, the xenon lights emit a bright white light. The lights do not have a filament in place and are also known as high intensity discharge light. Xenon lights tend to have different sockets and won't work in place of halogen bulb. HID lights offer up to 90% better lighting than halogen bulbs. What are the pros and cons? The xenon lights emit a brighter light than its halogen counterpart. This brighter light means a longer range and hence better visibility. Moreover, they look good aesthetically and are also available in variety of colors. The xenon bulbs are costlier than their halogen counterparts. Moreover, the xenon bulbs are infamous for their glare. So, this is the structure of the HID high intensity xenon light. LED headlamps most popular. The LED light emitting diode headlights are undoubtedly the most popular headlamps out there. LED headlamps have actually become a status symbol in the country. Not only do they make the car look better, but it also add an aura around it. So much in the craze for LEDs out there, people actually want to keep them on 24/7. After the LEDs came the DRLs and spread light like a wildfire on the popularity scale. Most of the upcoming cars started coming with a pre-fitted LEDs to satiate the demand. The term LED stands for light emitting diode. When you look at a typical LED light bulb, you will see a number of small LED bulbs in the main light hub. This is because the smaller LED light bulbs give out a smaller amount of light. Hence, the light from the bulb is cumulated and forms a brighter source of light for the car. These lights have to be placed strategically. This is because the LED bulbs emit light in a very narrow angle. What are the pros and cons? The LED lights bulbs are more durable than the other counterparts. This means while they might be expensive, the durable nature guarantees savings. The LED lamp usually tend to emit light in a very smaller area. This concentrates the energy and increases the heat. Due to this increased heat, a cooler base is required to support them. Next is laser lights. Laser lights are the new talk in the town of automotive lighting. The laser lights stimulate a gas along with a laser beam, which then glows extremely bright. This laser light is supposed to be 10 times brighter than LED lights. So, the new set of laser headlamps will come on some vehicles in Europe like BMW M series and F5 series. However, it might take time for the lights to reach India. With new technologies coming in every day, the cars are surely going to get better day by day. While automotive lighting has come a long way since the inception of cars, light are just one of the aspects being factored in over here. So another type of light is adaptive driving beam headlamps. Adaptive driving beam ADB is a headlamp system that ensures wide visibility for drivers by enabling to drive with a high beam all the time while avoiding glaring to oncoming vehicle or vehicle ahead. ADBs installed came a recognized vehicle driving ahead. So this picture shows you the working of the ADB light. Next topic is what is wiring harness. What are the different wires used and what are the symbols and color codes used. The cable harness, also known as wire harness, cable assembly, wiring assembly or wiring loom. It is an assembly of cables or wires which transmit signals or electrical power. The cables are bound together by straps, cable ties, cable lacing, sleeves, electrical tape, conduct, a wavy of extruded string or combination of thereof. These are the components of wiring harness: wires, terminals, connectors, caps and sleeves, fuse boxes. Wires is a single, usually cylindrical, flexible strand or rod of metal. Wires are used to bear mechanical loads and to carry electricity and telecommunication signals. So, these are the terminals: push on terminal, copper terminal and the combination of these. Connectors are used to make the connections from one device to another. Caps and sleeves are used to protect the terminal from being damaged. Sleeves are used to protect particularly the wires from shrinking due to high currents. Fuse boxes are used to protect the wire lines from short when high intensity of current is passed. So, wiring harness, this figure shows you the system of nervous system or the different connections, small and big connections for lighting, as well as for the different ignition system, charging system, starting system of the vehicle. This wiring harness is considered as the central nervous system of the car for connecting a variety of components. A wiring harness is an organized set of wires, terminals and connectors that run throughout the car and relay information and electric power. For the operations of the advanced functionalities in the car, there is an increased need for electrical and electronic equipment. And in order to interlink the electronics, there is a requirement of wire harness. So, the different components of the wiring harness are electric wires, connectors and terminals. The wiring harness uses different types of wires for carrying the electric signals and energy required by the car for its electronic functionalities. The harness consists of various wires bundled together, with every single wire responsible for transporting different signals. These wires are more flexible and resistant to extreme temperature and vary in diameter depending on the current used by the car component. So, let us see connectors. The connectors carry electrical current at the specified voltage and also enable easy interconnection of the components during the assembly process. The shape and size of connectors will vary based upon the electrical requirement and position of the equipment. The connectors are the mechanical components that allow to easily disconnect and reconnect different parts of the equipment. Let us see regarding terminals. Terminals are designed to terminate a conductor that is to be connected to post to establish an electrical connection. These are made up of variety of metals and can be coated differently as per the required condition. The wire terminals can be insulated or non-insulated depending on its shape and size, which include ring, shape, spade or book structure. The benefits of wiring harness: first is secure wire from abrasion and moisture, prevention of short circuits. The wiring harness helps to help the cable wires to avoid the unhealthy effects of abrasion and moisture. The wires are secure under suitable binding material from the vibrations during driving of the car. Prevention of short circuits. When the wires are organized and insulated, they reduce the risk of short circuit that is more vulnerable in case of scattered wires. Wiring harness makes the connection simple and greatly reduce the probability of sparks and resulting fires. The use of wiring harness not only safeguards the car but also makes the maintenance work easier and helps to achieve maximum power. While driving the car, you are assured of safety and there is a least chance of breakdown due to problem with the wiring cables. So, these are the labels and symbols which are used in automobile wiring diagram. Color codes: B is indicate black color wire, BR is indicated brown color wire, DRK, GRN indicates dark green color wire. G means green or color wire. L means blue color wire. LG means light green color wire. O means orange color wire. P means pink color wire. R means red color wire. SB means sky blue color wire. V means violet color wire. W means white color wire, and yellow, for yellow color wire the symbol is Y. These are some of the references. You can have the more information by the link provided. Thank you for your kind attention.